Today we're coming to you from the Hershey RV show, and we're going to show you a few more of the RVs that we haven't shown you already, so check out the full playlist below. Right now we're going to show you a Nano. It's the 187RB. Check out the weight on this, 3,280 pounds. All right, from the outside, a couple of things to notice. One is, notice that grill. It doesn't have an outdoor kitchen, but this is standard in all of the RVs.
And that's a nice cast iron grill plate.
This is beautiful. Okay, and then the hook comes with it. The other thing is that there's going to be a table that comes with it that attaches to this rail. Outdoor pass-through.
Also, everything is coming solar ready right now. So you see the charge controller right there. And good size pass-through.
All right, Brian, my favorite part. Let's go inside. I'm loving the color scheme this year. I love this slate blue that they've got going on. Notice there's a nice reflection going on the windows, but what I haven't pointed out is what's above my head. I love this. This is the Stargazer, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. There's my bug net. And this, though it doesn't look like a blackout line, it is 100% blackout. And I can just imagine laying here in this bed, looking up at the stars. So this is super easy to open. 3 knobs. Let's see if I can do it.
It's super easy unless you're short.
Super easy to open up. It pops up, and what's nice is if you forget to close it, it's facing the way you're driving and it will just shut. It's shatter proof. Can you believe that? I mean, like, I think this is so cool. This is a beautiful rig for anybody who wants to get small and on the road quick. Okay, so check this out. I want this sink so bad, a big sink, because even though you want a smaller RV so you can get around, to everywhere you want to go, this is the sink you want, because this is the sink where you're gonna be able to put all your stuff in here and do what you need to do. Stove that is flat surface, so you can easily have more counter space. Nice big fridge for how small this is. Honestly, I think this is bigger than our refrigerator in our Apex. Cabinet over top, nice pantry over here, 3 deep shelves. I mean, like, I'm not even touching the back. Oh, nope, I just touched the back. It's my whole arm length. And then under here, we've got storage. I don't know why they don't put drawers in here. That's something we need to work on. Get some drawers in here so we can access everything really easily. Let's check out the bathroom. All right, test number 1. I mean, I have an armrest. It's comfortable. I mean, I am fully on here. I feel like this is comfortable. I'm not in here. If my shoulders weren't so wide, I would be even better, but it's great. I would love to add a drop down counter, like put that on the back so I have a little extra counter space. That would be fabulous. But it comes with hooks for the towels, and look at all this cabinet space. Get in here. Oh my gosh, this is a full-on closet. And then there's a little closet, there's a little cabinet down here. I could see a little laundry hamper in here. That would be really nice. And then the shower. I like this shower better than ours. I love it. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
If you really hiked your leg up, you could put it on the sink counter.
Oh, yeah. I mean, there's how she... Oh, that was awkward. All right, your tank sensors are back here. It's a great little rig. All right, let's see what's under the bed. Oh, I just noticed there's a bottle opener, of course. There we go. Here's what's under here. You could even put your lithium batteries here if you'd rather have that. Need to add some struts. In this little rig, there are 2 of these fans, so you could even upgrade to a Fantastic or a Max fan or something like that. Really get some good airflow, but you've got that Stargazer. I'll be right here.